so fine. When they get to the part where she's breaking his heart, it can really make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more. Looking back on how it was in years gone by, and the good times that I had, makes today seem rather sad. So much has changed. It was songs of love that I would sing to then, and I'd
Tumutunog ba ito?
If a picture paints 1,000 words, then why can't I paint you? The words will never show the you I've come to know. If a face could launch 1,000 ships, then where am I to go? There's no one home but you. You're all that's left me to. And when our love for life
Iba yan siya po, kuya.
is running dry,
Iba yung bento tayo. Ano?
you
Siya po.
come and pour yourself on me.
Kaya ba?
Pag may
Sira.
araw-araw, di
Ay,
ay
cellphone ko.
araw-araw.
Yung benta sa'yo.
Pag magtibay katawan at tibay resistensya, mas
Ano yung titira
makakapag-aral
yun?
ng mahusay.
Hindi na ma-open. So, kilala ko nun eh. Ngayon yung cellphone. Yung ayos. Ikaw yung cellphone mo yun ah. Cellphone mo yun ah.
Cellphone ka?
Oo. And yung bayad dun. Bayad. Yung bayad dun. Ano lang. Konti lang, ano lang. Bayad lang.
Magkano?
Ha?
Magkano?
Hmm. Limang ano lang.
Yung piso?
Hindi ah. Limang daan.
Kamahal naman.
Ha? Ang ganito, limang ano. Yung...
Shit, tinanggal ko na yun.
Ano to? Yan. Yan.
Ah, 500.
Oo, ayun yung gawa. Yung amin doon, yung budik. Ayos yung ating cellphone yun. Ayos.
Ayos.
Yung lahat ng cellphone. Lahat ng diyan mo. Yung sira, lahat ng sira. Yung buo mo. Kahit yung cellphone mo, ano ito yung benta. Kaya ayaw na lang sira, lambil lang.